In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi underscores the expansion of Afghanistan's regional ties in a meeting with representatives of countries participating in the traditional wrestling festival. Construction to commence on a major cement production plant in Yatim Tagh, Jowzjan province, valued $160 million. And security lapses in the U.S. apparatus highlighted following an attack on the president. Welcome to our news package. It's Sunday, the 9th of Zulqa'dah al-Haram 1447, the 6th of Sawr 1405, and the 26th of April 2026. The news details. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Islamic Emirate, met in Kabul with the representatives of countries participating in the traditional wrestling festival. During the meeting, the Foreign Minister described Afghanistan's cultural unity and its relations with the region as deeply rooted in the history, adding that the country looking forward to further expand and strengthening its international relations through sport diplomacy. Mawlavi Muttaqi also noted that efforts are ongoing to facilitate visa issuance and provide necessary support to foreign athletes. He added that since the reestablishment of the Islamic Emirate, notable progress has been achieved in the field of sports. Humayun Afghan, the spokesperson for the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum, announced that construction of a large cement production plant in Yatim Tagh, Jowzjan province is set to begin tomorrow. Based on the statement he made, the project valued $160 million and is considered one of the largest industrial investments in the country's mining and construction materials sector. He further stated that the plant will have a daily production capacity of 3,000 tons of cement and is expected to create employment opportunities for approximately 5,000 people, both directly and indirectly. The news continuation. Officials from the Afghanistan British Company, the ABS, during a visit to Russia, held meeting with executives of several Russian manufacturing and technical companies in the energy sector, reaching preliminary agreements on a number of issues. The company stated that Russian firms are expected to cooperate in the areas including power network development, technical training, and other electricity-related sectors in Afghanistan. According to the ABS, technical teams from the respective companies are expected to dispatch to Afghanistan in the near future. And ultimately, Donald Trump, the President of the United States, expressed during a press conference following a shooting incident at the White House that there had been no prior intelligence or warning regarding any security threat and that his security team had no information indicating such a risk. Trump noted that the motive behind the attack remains unclear. However, the assailant appeared to be highly dangerous and is believed to have acted alone. He added that the Secret Service officer was also struck by gunfire, but his life was saved by a bulletproof vest. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.